In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to Rocket Money from a Visa card. Whether you're setting this up for the first time or just need a refresher, we're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring it's a breeze for you to follow. First, let's begin by heading to the Rocket Money website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in the Rocket Money URL. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is sign in. Look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to proceed. After you sign in, you will find yourself on the Rocket Money dashboard. This is where you'll manage all things related to your finance on the platform. Next, to begin adding money, you need to locate the Add button on your dashboard. Clicking this will redirect you to Rocket Money's secure account linking portal, powered by Plaid. This service ensures that your connection is secure and seamless. Now it's time to find your Visa card's bank. You'll see a search bar where you can type in the name of your bank, like Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo, just to name a few. Once you see your bank appear in the search results, simply tap it to move forward. Then you'll see a Continue button prompting you to move on to the login phase. Click on this, and you will be directed to securely log in. This segment involves entering your online banking credentials. Ensure that your login details are ready at hand, as you'll need them to proceed. Don't worry, Rocket Money only uses encrypted read-only access for security, safeguarding your information. As part of the security measures, you might be prompted to complete your bank's two-factor authentication. This extra layer of security helps protect your account. Follow any on-screen instructions specific to your bank to safely authenticate. After successful authentication, you'll be asked to select your Visa account. Now choose the Visa account or accounts you desire to link and then tap Continue. Confirm this selection to proceed with the transaction linkage process. Once your Visa account is selected and confirmed, the system will start verifying the connection automatically. This process allows Rocket Money to begin pulling your Visa transactions into your dashboard seamlessly. A final check of your linked accounts section should show your Visa account listed as connected, indicating that the process was completed successfully. And just like that, you've linked your Visa card to Rocket Money, giving you instant access to monitor your transactions with ease. If at any point you encounter issues, remember to check your connection and repeat any steps if necessary. Otherwise, your setup should now be complete, empowering you to manage your finances more effectively.